So one day the Wi-Fi was really laggy, and yeah, and I couldn't watch TV or maybe play some Roblox. But now, and then I just called my dad and said what happened. And then when he came home, he checked and it's already like the Wi-Fi is already like really good before he even fixed it. So like I was starting to ask myself, is this what a life is? And was like, and every time I do a bottle flip and it always lands, and when I want to show my mom, it just falls, and I was like a noob. And yeah, like what the, oh my god, that's really so annoying. Like